Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Kuka. We're at the Apia Waterfront Night Market, and tonight we're going to be checking out some international and local cuisines, but we're going to try and find some Puligi.
That's right, guys. This is a really cool collaboration between the Samoa Hotel Association and Samoa Tourism. It's a multicultural food explosion. We've got all these amazing local dishes. We're going to go check it out. Nice, man. All right, now we are on the hunt for Puligi, the Samoan pudding specifically this evening, but we have lots of options. There's a lot of different stores at this market, including awesome crepes.
Do you want chocolate or caramel?
Ooh, caramel.
Caramel?
Caramel.
I have 2 chocolate from Milani.
See, now this is what we're after.
Yeah, something healthier.
Yeah. So this is like crepes as you normally see it, but we've got a lot of island fruit here, so we're going to add a few bananas in, bit of flavor, bit of local caramel. Really nice stuff. Oh man, see, look at all these flavors. Look at this, we got the poke. Hey, that's our limu.
Yeah, it looks like the limu you got. Ah, wow, look, Hughie. Look at this. Looks so beautiful. I don't want to destroy it, but I have to because it's my job.
Just destroy it, destroy it. This is fantastic. Look at all these fresh flavors, just amazing. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah.
I love the final touches with the sprinkle up.
Yeah, so good.
Okay, let's go.
You know, all right, man. All right, let's go. How do you think?
I just had my first turmeric shot. I'm telling you, I feel a lot more, you know, healthier right now. I'm like,
feel revived.
I'm flowing, I'm floating. My best memory of my life, the size 2 pu'a on the spit. Oh, look at that.
Man. No Samoan market would be complete without some beautiful pu'a. Now this has been cooking for about an hour over the hot coals.
Yeah.
It's good to go, and I'm excited to have some. This is gonna be amazing.
Let's go, Hughie. Fa'ele pu.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, man. Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah.
It's the best.
Boy.
What's a Puligi? No Puligi?
Hey, Dora.
How
are you going?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Now, I hear that you might have some Puligi still available.
Yeah, no, I just ran out.
Okay, well, I mean, I'm disappointed, but I understand.
You should have come earlier, guys. But guess what? I can make you some more in my kitchen.
Can you?
Like?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay, cool.
I'd love to.
That's the plan then. We'll go get some Puligi from Dora then.
That's us tomorrow.
All right, cool.
That's a date.
So these are cocoa brownies. All right.
Samoa brownies made with love, yeah.
All right, I like it. Yeah, so good.
Just as promised, we're here at Milani Café and Cakes. Talofa Dora.
Alofa, how are you? I'm so glad you guys made it.
We're happy to be here. It's
Thank
going to
you.
be exciting.
I promise I'll make you Puligi, so here we are.
You're glad you're a woman of your word, and we're pretty excited about this because this is something that I enjoy. I've had a bit of it, but I've never actually made it before.
Today I'm going to make a healthy version of Puligi.
Okay, healthy's good.
What we're going to do today is add 3.5 cups of self-raising flour. Okay, so that goes in. And then we're going to add baking soda.
Okay.
So for spices, I'm going to use cinnamon and allspice, and I've got 3 teaspoons of each, and that goes in because pudding is all about the spice. And a little bit of salt. You can mix that a little bit if you like.
If you trust me,
I trust you.
you got this. So all the stuff we're using, it's pretty easy to get your hands on, eh?
Yeah,
Like it's not.
It's stuff that's readily available, and Puligi is actually a really humble Samoan dessert, and that's why everybody loves it.
So Dora, you're one of the judges on the Pacific Island Food Revolution.
Yes, I am.
Judging on Hughie's technique, How do you think he's done so far?
Hey, what do you reckon? Let's take a look.
I think so far Hugh has put a lot of alofa into mixing our lovely batter for the pulini. So
I've thoroughly mixed in the alofa
I think
here.
you're doing pretty good.
Yeah. Thank you very much, guys. I
Malo,
appreciate
Hughie.
that. So Dora,
Yeah.
so you're Samoan Italian?
yes,
Is
I'm
that?
Samoan and Dad's Italian.
Oh, okay. How did that happen? How'd they meet?
They met. They met in New Zealand actually. And
Really?
guess what?
Yeah.
When they met, they
Yeah.
couldn't speak the same language and they still fell in love.
Oh, come on,
Sorry.
Feels. Come on, Feels.
That's so romantic.
Oh my gosh.
But you know the language of love.
I love it. Oh man.
Yeah.
You've been training her?
Hey, stop pulling my leg, man. See what I did there?
Yeah.
that's good, right?
Yep.
That
That
looks pretty good.
Yeah.
You?
You happy?
Yeah,
Okay.
throw in there a cup of oil of coconut oil.
Coconut oil?
This is Samoan
Natural,
coconut
huh?
oil, yeah. And we're using again local honey.
Hey. Oh man.
And that goes all in as well. That's the binding agent. So I haven't used any eggs. And instead of eggs, I've used papaya, esi. A lot of people use applesauce, or you can also use avocado. So you're going to throw in a cup of water.
This is natural water.
Yeah, oh yeah. It's Samoan water.
Samoan water?
Hey, freshest water there is, man.
Freshly squeezed pepe, coconut
nice.
cream.
Are you? Can you make better, man? Are you good at that?
Bro, no comments.
Last ingredient, just a little bit of vanilla essence, and I'll pop that
Oh, yeah,
in
yeah,
because
yeah.
you'll probably.
I'm kind of tired right now with all the hard work I've been doing so far.
Okay, and now we're just going to blend this all up. Now we're just going to we're just going to put wet and dry together.
Ooh.
Pour it in.
Here we go. So I start mixing.
mixing.
All right. Yep.
Come on,
Just
Hugh,
set it-
give it a little bit more.
I'm being gentle. I'm just trying to, don't want to splash everywhere.
Here
we go. Here we go.
I usually use the machine to mix, but because I knew you guys were coming, I wanted to give you.
A little bit elbow grease, a little manpower. Here we go.
So what I'm going to do is just fill these cans. I'm going to steam them in just a pot with some water and a very secure lid for about an hour. And then you're just going to tie it really tight.
Okay.
That's it.
It's like my old man says, if you don't know knots, just tie lots.
I know one knot. I've made some ahead of time.
Yes.
Okay, so the moment of truth.
Okay, look at you. Oh, now that's exciting.
Here we go.
Okay.
And the custard is amazing.
Okay.
The version of.
The base of the custard is coconut cream.
All right.
And I've used vanilla that is from Shelley's.
Oh, okay.
Bawala
Cool.
vanilla.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Look at that guy.
Wow.
Happy
That's
with
exactly how. Yeah, it looks exactly like Puligi. Yeah.
It does.
You know why, Hughie?
Because it's Puligi.
Yes, it is.
Because that's what it is.
Guys, it's Puligi time.
Yes, it is
It's
Puligi time.
plant-based Puligi time.
Yes, I'm excited about this.
There you go.
Faafetai.
Be careful,
And a
Sefa.
napkin as well, because
Thank
you
you.
need a napkin.
Because boys are messy, yes.
And don't forget to grab custard there.
Okay, sure. Here we go. Come on, man.
And please let me know.
Hey.
I'm going in too, guys.
Allah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's really good. That was really, really good. Let's try.
It is.
That spice in it.
You can tell the spice is
That's
really
cinnamon.
well balanced.
And the custard just brings it home.
I
my
know.
gosh.
Like right in the driveway.
Hangaya. Whose driveway? Your Sefa.
Mamma mia, che buono.
Que bravo.
All right, guys. Well, our Puligi craving has been well and truly satisfied. Thank you so much to Dora
Thank
for
you.
making
Thank you,
this
guys.
for us.
Yeah, my pleasure.
We'll see you guys on the next episode of Kuka, Tastes of Beautiful Samoa. Faça o fuori.
Dora, how do you say thank you, see you next time in Italian?
Oh, well, it's arrivederci, grazie. Ci vediamo la prossima volta.
To face fu.
For that.
Wow. Manaya.
Faça o fuori.
Grazie qua.
Santa Maria. I don't know. Arrivederci.